Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Xampp, MySQL stops automatically after few minutes. Apache and MySQL started successfully. After few minutes it automatically stops. Open MySQL error log file. Plugin, feedback is disabled error. Click Explorer. Click and open MySQL folder. Click and open Backup folder. Copy all files. Paste to Data folder. Now start MySQL service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.